Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Let us see about anti-hepatitis drugs. Hepatitis is caused by the DNA virus, hepatitis B and hepatitis C. Let us see how the virus comes and infects. The virus is basically a DNA virus that fuses with the host cell, that is the hepatocytes. That's called viral fusion. Then it uncoats and releases its DNA. This uncoating, when it releases its DNA, that enters into the nucleus with the help of thymidine kinase. It synthesizes its own DNA polymerase that makes multiple copies of the DNA of the virus. With the help of transcription, it synthesizes its own proteins. So the assembly of proteins with its DNA is called viral assembly in new virion forms, and when it goes and infects the other hepatic cells. Let us see the drugs which addresses these issues. They are nucleoside analog DNA polymerase inhibitors. They are entecavir is the drug of choice. It is a guanine analog. The adverse effects are gastrointestinal disturbance and lactic acidosis. Lamivudine, it is a cytidine analog. It is having a anti-HIV property also, which you can refer in my previous video related to HIV, the drugs used in HIV. The next drug is adifovir, which is a adenine analog. It is used in lamivudine resistant strains. Tenofovir is also a adenine analog. Telbuvidine is a thymidine analog. Let us see the hepatitis C virus. It is basically a RNA virus. When the virus becomes and fuses with the hepatocytes, it uncoats and releases its RNA. The unreleased RNA comes and fuses with the host hepatocyte DNA. Then it transcribes to its proteins. Many proteins are formed, that is viral proteins, importantly NS3A, 4A, NS5A and NS5B. With the help of the RNA polymerase, the virus makes multiple copies of RNA. Then the next step is assembly of the viral proteins with its RNA to form new virions, and these new virions make copies of it, and that pinches off from the hepatocytes and they infect the other hepatic cells. The most important mechanism the hepatocytes address this is the formation of an important protein called interferons. These interferons actually bind to the interferon receptors, and that binding causes formation of interferon induced proteins, and that proteins inhibit the viral replication, that is hepatitis C replication is affected or blocked by the interferons. It is very important in treatment of hepatitis C virus. The drugs used to address this is formation of RNA is blocked by ribavirin, PEG interferon, that is pegylated interferon, 2 alpha and 2b, that is alpha 2a and 2b are more important drugs. And newer drugs are NS3A, 4A inhibitor Simpravir, NS5A inhibitor Lidipasvir, Daclatasvir, Vilpatasvir, and NS5B inhibitor is Sofosbuvir. You can remember this NS5A. All the drugs they have A in their drug name, and NS5B it has B in its drug name. So three class of drugs are available. The most important category of drug is interferons. It's recombinant interferon alpha 2A and 2B. They block the formation, they form the interferon induced proteins. The most widely used combination therapy is PEG interferon with ribavirin. It is used in different hepatitis diseases, hepatitis B virus, C virus, AIDS related Kaposi sarcoma, condyloma acuminata, herpes simplex virus, and cytomegalovirus. The adverse effects are flu-like symptoms, neurotoxicity, myelosuppression, thyroid disorders, more importantly hypotension and transient arrhythmias. So it's a short nutshell information of anti-hepatitis drugs. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel and encourage us to put more videos for your subjects. Thank you.